Hi, meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 forecast center. You clicked on the Weather Now link on this Wednesday afternoon. What time is it? Almost 3:30 in the afternoon. Really a very comfortable day today. Clouds increasing through some hazy sunshine. Inland areas getting well into the 60s. We're looking at Newport right now. Starting to cloud up, no rain yet, but it's on the way, mainly for this evening, but more so tonight. You look at the high temps today, and very mild. You can see temperatures that were well into the 60s inland, 50s, upper 50s along the coastline. That Smithfield temperature, something tells me that that particular instrument may be in error there. More than likely, Smithfield was not 55, but rather in the 60s. We'll have to check that one. But you get the general idea that interior sections are in the 60s today, and 50s along the coastline. And we'll be trending a lot cooler, unfortunately, both Thursday and Friday. So here's the breakdown. Rain tonight, heavy at times, some slower travel speeds. I'm thinking the heavier rain is really later in the evening. I think once we get beyond, say, 9 or 10 o'clock, I think before that, just a few showers. But it's more of the overnight hours, some heavy rain, and even some rumbles of thunder. And it's unsettled on Thursday for a number of reasons. It's mainly cloudy. It's going to turn colder. There'll be some lingering showers, especially during the morning, but even during the afternoon, I would keep the umbrella on standby. Brisk and chilly. And Easter weekend, the good news is, well, we don't have any storms. It's mainly dry but cool. I mean, actually 50-55 for early April is actually the average high temp for this time of year. So we would call that seasonably cool, with a mix of cloud. Actually, Saturday's more in the way of sunshine, whereas Easter Sunday's more of a partly cloudy, kind of a cloud-sun mix kind of day. You can see on the satellite and radar composite the precipitation across the Hudson Valley of New York. This is along a cold front, which will kind of slow down. A storm system will form along the front, and when that happens, it's going to help to enhance some of the heavier rainfall. So out ahead of the front, you've got a southerly breeze, which kept temperatures mild today. Behind the front, notice the arrows blowing in a different direction, west-northwest, and that'll bring in some cooler air on Thursday. Here's the wider view, and there is cooler, drier air across the Great Lakes, and that'll be settling in actually Thursday evening, Thursday night. In the meantime, we take a look at the temperatures, and notice out ahead of the front, very mild, and you see that flow of air coming out of the Great Lakes in Canada with a bit of a winter chill, and some of that much cooler air headed our way for both Thursday and especially Friday. All right, we'll step you through the forecast hour by hour, starting off this evening at 7 o'clock, which is fairly quiet. I don't see much in the way of rain. It's mild. Notice, though, by late evening and certainly by the midnight hour, it is a widespread rain. The areas of yellow and orange indicating downpours, perhaps even the rumble of thunder. Lingering rain early in the morning at 6 a.m., temps in the 50s. Now, notice by the afternoon hours, we are chilly. It's only in the mid-40s and mainly cloudy. And while you don't see as much green, I wouldn't rule out a few passing showers during the afternoon hours as well. So I would still keep the umbrella on standby during the afternoon. I just don't think it's as wet the second half of the day. Then clearing out Thursday night sets up for a cold, blustery Thursday night and actually a chilly Friday afternoon. So for tonight, rain. Initially, it's scattered early in the evening, but once we get beyond 10 o'clock, it's widespread and heavy at times through the early morning hours. In fact, here we are Thursday morning, sun up at 6:30. You won't see it with the clouds and rain. The rain steadier early in the morning, tending to ease a bit by noontime, but temperatures actually dropping rather than rising during the afternoon. And here we are in a more detailed look at the hour-by-hour forecast, with morning rain, a few afternoon rain showers, and notice temperatures just struggling here during the afternoon, only in the upper 40s and getting colder on Thursday night. Friday is a mostly cloudy, chilly day. It's only in the 40s. And right now for Easter weekend, it still looks dry both Saturday and Sunday, giving the edge to mainly sunny skies on Saturday. Easter Sunday is kind of a cloud-sun mixture. We'll actually start with some clouds early in the morning. Temperature's not bad for this time of year. It'd be nice if it were a bit warmer over the weekend, but generally daytime highs are going to be around 50, 55. All right, that's your latest Weather Now update. Thanks for logging in. We'll talk to you soon.